Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you make informed choices about the products you use every day. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best black apron for men, the Well Chef Apron. If you're someone who loves cooking, grilling, or hosting, stay tuned, because this apron is designed to elevate your culinary experience while keeping you looking sharp. Let's start by talking about the material. The Well Chef Apron is crafted from high-quality Teflon-coated polyester, which makes it water, oil, and stain-resistant. Whether you're flipping burgers on the grill, whipping up a gourmet meal, or baking some cookies, this apron will keep you protected from those pesky spills and splatters. The Teflon coating acts as a shield, ensuring that stubborn grease and food stains are a thing of the past. Now, let's discuss the design. Measuring 33 inches by 27 inches, this apron covers you from chest to knee, giving you ample protection while you cook. The adjustable neck strap is a standout feature, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your comfort. It also comes with long 38-inch waist ties that can be wrapped around either the front or back, providing versatility and a secure fit for anyone, regardless of their body type. One of the things we appreciate most about the Well Chef Apron is its practicality. It features two large front pockets that are perfect for storing all your culinary essentials. Whether it's meat thermometers, recipe cards, or even your phone, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips, making your cooking experience seamless and enjoyable. Durability is key when it comes to kitchen gear, and this apron doesn't disappoint. The fabric is designed to withstand the rigors of everyday cooking. It's 3 times more durable than many competing aprons, ensuring that it holds up over time and remains a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Plus, it's lightweight, so you won't feel weighed down while you're whipping up your latest culinary masterpiece. Another fantastic aspect of the Well Chef Apron is its ease of care. After a day of cooking, simply toss it in the washing machine. It's machine washable and resistant to wrinkling, which means you can keep it looking fresh without a hassle. Just remember to wash it with dark colors to maintain its sleek black appearance. Now, let's talk about the aesthetic. This apron has a timeless black design that complements any kitchen setting. Whether you're cooking in a professional kitchen or hosting a dinner party at home, you'll look professional and stylish. It's the perfect accessory for any cooking enthusiast who wants to impress. Lastly, the price point is worth mentioning. With a current price of $9.98, this apron offers incredible value. Considering its features and durability, it's a small investment for something that enhances your cooking experience and keeps you clean. In summary, the Well Chef Apron stands out as the best black apron for men on the market. Its combination of water and oil resistance, practical design with spacious pockets, durability, and easy maintenance makes it a must-have for anyone who enjoys cooking. If you're looking for an apron that can keep up with your culinary adventures while keeping you stylish, look no further. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews that help you make the best choices for your home. Happy cooking!